Good day, welcome back. We're looking at analytical geometry, and for this lesson we will look at the midpoint of a line segment. Just having the understanding that when I find the middle of something, it is also known as the average of something, and this is what we must keep first and foremost in our minds. Here I have line segment TM, and I want to find the midpoint of this line segment. So the first thing that I need to know is what is this distance. And if I count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I count this one, my distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would agree that finding the middle of this one and finding the middle of this one will take me to the midpoint of this line segment. So when I look at the information, that coordinate over there is the midpoint of line segment TM. And how did we find it? We calculated the distance of the x and we halved it. We calculated the distance of the y and we halved it. So we notice that minus 3 plus 3 divided by 2, and we took minus 2 and we added positive 4 and we divided it by 2. So this gives me 0 over 2. This gives me 2 over 2. Simplified, 0 and 1. Let's see, where did it take us? 0 and 1. Let's look at another example. Let's look at line segment RQ. We calculate the distance of x. We calculate the distance of y. Then we halve this distance. And then from that point, I will find this distance. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. It's exactly the same. So if I can find that midpoint, then automatically I will have that midpoint. So let's look at the information that is here and see how do we calculate that coordinates with an algebraic approach. So I say I must find the average of the two x values, and I must find the average of the two y values. So the x values is minus 4 and 5. Add them together, I get positive 1. I must take 3 and minus 1, add them together, I get positive 2, 1 over 2 and 2 over 2, 0,5 or half, and 1. What is the coordinates? 0,5 for my x value and 1 for my y value. So this information is verified and correct. As practice, you can now try to calculate the midpoints for the following line segments: AI, FC, EB, GL, and JK. Try to calculate the midpoints for each of these line segments. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, tell your friends. If you loved it, tell everyone. I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much. Goodbye.